Hi, welcome to my kitchen. So I was shopping at Costco the other day and I thought, I have company coming. How am I going to make something different for them that doesn't keep me in the kitchen all day cooking? And lo and behold, I found this very yummy looking gourmet collection quiche. It's a 2-pack. So let's open it up and find out what it's like. So I was kind of surprised to see that there are 2 quiches in this package. It comes in a nice cardboard package. It has the Gruyere cheese, the goat cheese, and some sharp cheddar cheese, along with some broccoli flowerets. And it looks really delicious here. Let me take it out of the package, and I think you can see it a little bit better. So, oh, I like that. Each quiche is individually wrapped. So if I don't want to cook both, I can save one for another morning or another evening. I'm going to just put the lid back on this because tonight we only need one. So let's open it up and smell it. It has that very easy to use seal. Oh, this looks really wonderful. It's very easy to do. So we'll take that off and lift this out. And smelling it is wonderful. This crust is light. I can smell the cheese. I can smell the broccoli. I think we'll go ahead and turn on the oven and put it in, and then we'll try it. See if we want to buy it again. You cook it at 375 for 25 to 28 minutes, according to the directions. We don't need to put this on a cookie sheet or anything. I'm just going to put this tin pan right on the rack. The combination of the 3 cheeses should be very tasty. And then, of course, it's made with cage-free egg whites. So for any who are conscientious of that, that can be a real plus to this. There's no egg yolks. The only negative is it is cage-free, but it's not gluten-free. So if you're on a gluten-free diet, this won't work for you. But anybody else, low cholesterol, all of those other things, it would work really, really well. I'm going to put it in the top rack. I have my top rack down on the 3rd level. And I always like to put it right in the middle. And I'm going to set my timer to 23 minutes. So while the quiche is cooking, I'd like to talk to you about one of the really important kitchen tools that I have and I love. I have this beautiful cutting board that Flying Fish Woodworks made for me. It's so important to have a nice, solid, heavy cutting board for when you're cooking. Not only will it absorb the heat, it makes it great for chopping and dicing, and I think it looks really pretty on the counter too. Try checking out flyingfishwoodworks.com and see if you can't find a cutting board that works really well for you. The timer just went off and I smell the most delicious quiche. So let's open up the oven and check on it. I can tell it's done, even though I've never cooked this before, because the crust is golden brown. I see little bubbles that are the food itself that's just kind of very lightly bubbling, and it just smells, it fills the whole house with this smell. Also notice that it's slightly separated from the pan. That's one of the clues I look for when I'm making a normal pie, and this looks perfect. Typically I would let it rest for a couple of minutes. A lot of times with pies and cakes and things like that, just to kind of let it sit for a few minutes and kind of settle after it's cooking is a really good idea. But I don't think we can quite wait today. So I'm going to go ahead with my knife. I'm going to cut a small piece so that we can take it apart a little bit. And we'll try taking it out of the pan. The crust looks flaky. It's done. It's not mushy like some crust is. It's just perfectly cut, and it's real thin, so you're not getting a big layer of this dough. The texture is delightful. It's smooth. I can taste the broccoli. I can taste the smokiness of the cheeses. This is just a wonderful combination. I think that this quiche would be something perfect to serve to my company. And so I'm going to cook the other one when they come this weekend for a visit. I hope you enjoyed finding out about this new quiche. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you next time.